Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. We have a very special car sent to us by Maker Fire today. It's small, it's tiny, it's very tiny. It's the Turbo Racing C82. Very, very cool indeed. It's the first turbo racing that I've had on the channel. We've actually come outside to test it. The reason being that every video I've seen so far is on a nice flat surface inside. Can it handle anything outside? We don't know, we'll find together. If suddenly I change over to inside footage, you know that it simply did not work. Let me show you how small this car is. Do you see that? Where is it?
There.
Look at the size of that, ladies and gentlemen. It is so small. Absolutely amazing. 75 milliamp hour built-in battery. You actually charge it directly from the controller itself, which is pretty cool, I think. Let me get this unboxed and I can show you some more details. So ladies and gents, this is everything that comes in the box. You get two of those ramps, two of the slightly higher ramps. You have the charging cable there if you wanted to charge the car up from a PC or a mobile phone. You put the four AAA batteries in, you load it like you do a gun, and then you lock it like so. You then take the top of it and lock it into place. Now, to charge it on the go, if you see, you have this little dippy dip there. You do that. I've actually put a little bit of Velcro on this just to keep it safe, because what happens is that pops up. Really? And then that is like that. You then go to the bottom of the car and it now charges on the go. You move the controller over to charge, and the red light means that it is now charging. So once that's finished charging, we will get on. So just to show you what the channel 3 and channel 4 do. Channel 3, so various settings there, and then the channel 4 are the lights at the top, off, on, and flashing there. It is fully proportional steering, as you see. Look at that. How they've done it on such a small car, I do not know. And the same for the acceleration. Slow, fast. So let's see what this little beauty can do. So there's going to be a lot of people that will be asking the question, why is it so expensive? At just under 90 US dollars with my code John Robinson RC. I think that works out to about 76 without tax for those that don't have to pay tax on it. Yes, it is. However, there's a lot of technology in this little thing, and turbo racing has actually got such a fan base now, such a following. They're coming out with cars quite frequently. I don't understand why people spend over 200 US dollars on a Scalextric set with cars going round and round in circles. I don't understand why somebody would pay nearly 15,000 US dollars for this RC car that I've got on screen now, although I must say, I do want to buy it myself. So, would I spend my own money on this car? I honestly do not know if I would, but that's only because of the selection of RC cars that I have at home right now. If I was living in a place that, for example, had lots of bad weather, and I had a small patch in the back of my garage to do a track, then I can see the popularity of these cars without a shadow of a doubt. Or if you're one of those that while you're at work at your desk you get a bit bored and you want to race on the desk, a couple of these would be a lot of fun. But let's see how it handles this rougher terrain. So ladies and gents, we were trying to mount a camera onto this car, however there is a slight issue. It's not really going to work, but luckily we have a camera car. Oh, how cool. So ladies and gents, how durable is this car? Let's find out.
Didn't mean those things, I'm sorry. Doesn't matter anyway. We've been here one time too many. Wonder what will happen next. We both know that this ship's going down. Let's get off and leave before we drown. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through. 'Cause we're see-through.
It's durable. Oh shit, it would have killed. Oh! So, ladies and gents, what do you think of this footage? I am not sure about this car. Don't get me wrong, it is cute. I'm really impressed by how they've managed to make it so small. Is it something I personally would buy? I'm afraid I'm gonna have to say no, because I don't really have a desk job. If I had a desk job, yes, definitely, because you know I'll be driving it up and down that desk for the whole day. And again, I suppose if I had a smaller track when it was raining outside, that I probably, if I had a couple of these, it would be a lot of fun. I like the fact that you can charge it on the go, and as you saw by the footage, it's actually quite a capable little thing. Yes, you know, at the end of the day, we didn't really have that many places to drive it because it's not really that flat where we are. But durability wise, you know, it's not going to break. It's got no weight to it. What can break on it, being honest with you? I am very, very impressed with the technology, you know, that went into this without a shadow of a doubt. So please, if you're thinking about buying one of these, please don't buy it for small children. It fits right in their mouth, you know, but obviously, you know, 10 and above, I would say. And certainly for the big kid in all of us. Links are in the description below, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and thank you once again, Makerfire. Stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.